Apples still grow in November, when blossoms still grow from each tree, when leaves are still green in December. It's then that our land will be free. I wander the hills and valleys, and still through my sorrow I see a land that has never known freedom, and only our rivers run free. I drink to the death of her manhood, those men who would rather have died than to live in the cold chains of bondage, to bring back the rights were denied. Oh, where are you now when we need you? What burns where the flame used to be? Are you gone like the snow of last winter? And will only our rivers run How sweet it's life, buttercup. How mellow the wine, buttercup. How fragrant the rose, but it's dying. How gentle the wind, but it sighs. What good is the youth when it's aging? What joy is in night that can see when the sun